Hello lovelies, it's Jennifer with new tutorial. I did a tutorial with turbans a long time ago, and as autumn is coming, I thought why not to do a tutorial with turbans again. So I will show you 3 different new variations of turbans. I took them from 1940s tutorials, vintage films, so really it was like new for me too, because I do every time 1 or 2 variations every day when I want to add turban to my look. And now I opened new ones like this and cat ears. It's so cute, oh my god, you need to watch it and need to try it to do. And turbans for me, it's really good decision in bad weather and bad hair days. But in last times I used turbans as great accessories for my look, because really when you choose the color matching your look, I use 3 colors in look, 3 or 2. 2 mains and third is for accessories. And when you choose the turban matching your look, matching your colors of your look, it's really so great looking, really wow, fantastic, and it's so glamorous, it's so simple to do. All you need to buy some scarves. All my scarves, my scarves are from flea market, and they are very cheap, but they are from Chanel, Versace and others big companies. Why? I don't know why these good scarves are on flea market, so you can find treasures not expensive price. So keep watching, try it, you definitely need to try it, and write me in comments which turbans do you like more. Let's start!
So the first turban is called cat ears. It's from original vintage tutorial 1940s. It's very cute and really simple. I even don't know if I need to say some comments, because you can see all steps on the video. Only one I can say that the fabric of your scarf needs to be cotton, because you need to, after this rolling, you need to receive a big volume as ears. So yes, it's the main thing here, the fabric. You know, my first association with this hairstyle was a woman's medieval hairstyles, like with horns. And it's perfect time to meet you with my cat. His name is Zafir, and he is 5 years old. Second turban is just simple wrapped turban. You can choose any fabric of your scarf as you want, because this turban is fixing on your head very good. And I like it because it's simple, elegant, without big volumes. Really good for any occasion. Third turban also haven't some name, but for this turban you need a really big and long scarf, because we need a lot of fabric. Maybe we can name it like garden flower, I guess. We will create flower, rose, and a little leaf, I guess, or something like that. Very simple and beautiful. I did this turban at the first time and really going outside that day with this turban. Really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this turban tutorial. don't forget to like, follow me if you don't follow me yet, and please write in comments which one turban do you like more. And really, I will be very happy to receive your results, your photos in these turbans on my Instagram maybe. Write me, don't shy. Bye bye!